March 2020 was the first time I saw a kalimba. This unique and unusual musical instrument has a beautiful sound. I wanted to learn how to play it, but there is no school to teach it. So I talked to myself. I started writing tabs for the songs I played. Then I practiced and edited it to make them better. While learning to play kalimba, I have met some difficulties such as hand pain, broken thumbnails, unable to remember musical notes, and so on. However, nothing can stop me from loving music. After mastering a song, I record, edit, and publish the video. At first, I just thought of posting videos for fun. However, I have received a high volume of likes, comments, and shares in Facebook groups. After that, I set up a YouTube channel to share my cover songs with people who have the same passion for music. The next songs, when I post on Facebook groups, I still received a lot of likes and comments, especially some comments that make me really impressed. Hello, my name is Minh and I am from Vietnam. I'm so happy to be a part of University of the People family. In addition to Parson, I have another goal when playing kalimba. I want to let friends of the world know about Vietnamese people who are friendly and have a great love of peace. Because I think a lot of people don't understand much about Vietnam. Perhaps you only know Vietnam for war. But you do not know Vietnam as it is today as stable, developed, and happy. Especially, Vietnam has been cited as having one of the best organized pandemic control programs in the world. The economy is still growing in the context of the COVID pandemic that lasted for a year. At the same time as making this video, Vietnamese people's life is going on as normal. We eat delicious food, travel to beautiful places, sing and play our favorite songs. That helps me to focus on studying at University of the People and playing kalimba in my free time. I think in today's context, it's really fortunately to be able to do those things.